All right, welcome to another episode of a project reveal. We're really excited. We are in Vienna, Virginia today, and we pretty much went through the whole house. There's a couple more rooms left, but for now we want to share the kitchen, the office, and the basement renovation that we did with this client so far. And go ahead and look at the before picture. It's crazy. So whoever built this house decided that this corner is absolutely unnecessary, which made the kitchen really, really squeezed, broken up. There was a crazy island here. It wasn't really island, but there was just no place to move. The only thing that, other than, of course, having big place to host holiday gatherings and enjoy with the family, was important to the client to retain also the sitting area in the kitchen versus having sitting in the island. So a few of the things that we needed to take under consideration is hosting and being able to cook for high holidays and being able to cook and serve, have a lot of pantry storage, retain the sitting area, and of course, beautiful big window. So if you see the before pictures, there's a tiny little window and it just really didn't make any sense. So the first thing we did was bust that wall and push all that out because it absolutely did not make sense that we easily added 2 feet into that kitchen that made a whole difference of what's happening. There were also the HVAC vent was going through the kitchen and it's still here, but now it's hitting and it's not taking any space out of the kitchen and it is absolutely hidden. And until I show you where it is, you would not know where it is. So let me come on over and I'll show you around. So we have this beautiful walnut cabinetry. The LED light are under cabinet are actually beautifully built into the cabinet, so you could have really nice seamless design going on. Of course, drawers, pull outs to put all your serving dishes, so nothing needs to be out on the open. In this case, the client asked for the spices to be up, so we have the spice racks in eye level. You know, us sometimes short people, we like it on the bottom, but we have tall clients that also like it on the top. So these are one of the things that we talk with our client, learn about their lifestyle and make a decision what's gonna work for them, because some people do like them on lower below and some people prefer to have them in a eyesight. So we have solutions from them all. All the pots and pan are nicely organized in these drawers. We have the pegboard system that's holding everything in place until I move them. So there you go. We have the pegboard system that is holding everything in place. So you have 2 levels of those. The dishwasher, it's currently running, but so we're not gonna open it. But that is actually the dishwasher, again, hidden. You can't really see any of that. The beautiful sink and a large window. Trash, easily accessible in here. And then this is actually our beautiful refrigerator. So everything that you need. This is the decor new refrigerator with the blackish interior, and this refrigerator actually does have water inside. You just need to open it, and of course you have a really perfectly organized freezer. So you have the ice maker over here, but everything is in drawers, so it's very easy to see everything. It's not all piled in one big drawer, and you can easily access everything that you need from the freezer. So this is one of my favorite refrigerators. Walking around, this is a wall of pantries. So all that it is storage, and it looks like it's built in, but we have about 15-inch of depth here. And this is where the vent is. So it is going throughout, but it's hidden. It's still, you still have a little bit of storage, right? But it is hidden, and you can also service it as well. But the rest of it is open and full of all their goodies. There is storage all around the island. Obviously, my favorite, you guys know that I absolutely love the microwave drawer with another drawer under it, and the bigger cabinets, of course, they have rollouts in them. So again, very easy to use and access. So when you're standing here, you have the small appliances, all the baking stuff, pots and pans for when you are ready to use that as your main cooking area. Another drawer here for all the measuring cups and stuff that you need and cutting boards when you need here. So let me show you the other space here on the main floor. Again, this is one of those living rooms. Nobody really uses it until, Thanksgiving and once a year. So it was a room that had furnishing, but it was an office as well, and stuff was just piled up there. So what we needed to do is to create a space that it's still going to be multifunctioning, that is going to have a built-in home office, but also a place together when you have bigger groups of people to enjoy. So one of the things that we started is to add these doors here. So if you are coming in, there's a little bit of separation and quiet for the office, or even manage the traffic flow. If you have guests, you can close this door, have them come into the kitchen area if you want to, or actually bring them over here first. So we have, again, multitasking, little cute sitting area over here. And you know me, I love my rotating chairs. So again, while these chairs can be facing the sitting area, we can actually rotate them and have a meeting in the office, or enjoy a conversation with whoever is in the dining room. So it is a great feature, especially when you have a place that's divided into two. And here we have our custom build office. I really love the way we brought the walnut and the dark color cabinetry from the kitchen into here. And this table actually, after a lot of design and engineering on my end, it actually closes up, and you can hide stuff and actually add additional sitting here. So when there's a big party or guest, you can close away the office, and then you have a beautiful space to host your friends and family. All right, so now we are in the basement, and this place had to be transformed for multi-use space. They wanted their teenage daughter to have a place to hang out with her friends. They wanted to have a home gym and also a bar. But the bar is really mostly a multi-use, so mostly soft drinks, because you have teenager hanging out there. Later, as they grow along, this can definitely change to a little bit more of an adult bar. This is what we created, selected this beautiful tile. I'm really, really excited about that. You have the dual zone. So you have the adult beverages with the wine on one side, and then you have all the soft drinks and water on the other side. Plenty of storage, and it really creates a great hangout place here in the basement for adults and teenagers alike. Let's go check out the bathroom. All right, so that builder grade bathroom also needed to have an upgrade. Now that we have this beautiful basement space, we wanted to make sure it matches the rest of it. So we wanted to brighten up the space, but still bring all these beautiful greens that the client likes. and bring some of that Spanish style and European flavor that she loves. This was actually a tub as well, and it was converted into shower. So then if you do have guests that staying down here, you have an easier access. And it's just simple, clean, but really grand colors in a small space. And this is it. So this is a fantastic space that the family absolutely love and enjoy, and the puppy, which is running around somewhere. So thank you again for joining us for another episode of Design Tips and Sips. I'm Anna Gibson with AKG Design Studio. So if you're ready for your next kitchen, bathroom, or fabulous remodel, please touch base with me at www.AKG Design Studio. If you want to be on the show or have something interesting to share with our guests, please message me at info@AKG Design Studio. Everything is in the show notes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and also ring the bell so you can tell when is the next episode. We usually drop new episodes every Wednesday afternoon Eastern Standard Time, but in case we surprise you and add additional content, if you are subscribed and ring the bell, you will get all the notification as soon as they come out. So until next time, cheers.